Pop. Yeah. Right here.
All right. Oh, yeah.
Forward. Right there. Hip. Yeah. Go.
Dr. G, Dows, you already know. Come on, man, I'm here. And y'all know I'm from the block, and we don't even go to chiropractors and stuff like that. But nah, he got you right, you know what I mean? It feel good, I feel loose, I feel rejuvenated. So now I got a show actually later that just helped me, so I appreciate you, King.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Love.
Cool.
Already.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. G. Oh man, we got a treat for you today. We got Young and May, first time adjustment. It's gonna be good, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and start with the neck, right? So I'm just feeling what joints need to move, like right there, like upper cervical, C2, C3. So what we're gonna do, right? You're just gonna relax, and I'm gonna put a little pressure, you're gonna hear a pop, okay? Mm-hmm. You okay?
Yep.
You good? Okay. It doesn't take a lot of force, right?
Nah, my son nice.
Right there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. You still with me?
Yeah. Hello.
Okay, good. I'm gonna get you over here. Just check out a few things right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a roller. And again, I'm gonna walk you through this. It's a 40-pound roller, so I'm gonna place it right here. Mm-hmm. But it's just gonna loosen up the muscles, make the rest of the adjustment go a lot easier. Okay. But you tell me if it's too much. That feels okay?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Nine years old.
Wait, just a kid.
Baby. Rapping. No capping. I've been rapping since you had to make tapes in the karaoke machine. That ass.
With the CD and everything,
yep,
right?
exactly. You had the CD for the beats and the tape for the recording.
What you doing for your birthday?
I'm motherfucking turning into a boss.
I'll put a little pressure here, okay?
Okay.
A little pop. Yeah. Go ahead and flip over on your back. We're gonna cross. It's almost like you're hugging yourself, right? Mm-hmm. And then I'm gonna put a little pressure here.
All right. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Knee. Bend the knee up. Keep the bottom leg straight. Mm-hmm. Just kind of relax there. I won't let you fall. Let your hip roll forward. Good. Let's turn the other way. And then bend this knee right here. I'll kind of tuck this one down right there. Just let that hip kind of roll right there. Yeah. Leg face up. Just right there. Just lay flat right there. Oh. And I'm just going to give a little pull. Relax the hip. Good. Okay. Cool. Go and come on up. Ooh. Tell the camera how you feel.
Hello. We outside, like, yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
First of all, y'all understand, I was at the strip club last night. That actually helped. You know what I mean? Like, that woke me up because I got things to do today all day. So now I'm like, boom. Now we up. Boom, bow, bing. Period.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
Let's go.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Love.
Anytime.
Who that?
What you doing over there?
What's him doing? It's the hat. My son, that's a little.
Girls, come over here. I'll take a picture.
Can I get a five?
Yeah. How excited are you to meet her?
Really excited.
Oh, she's so cute. Look at him. He got the peace on up. What's up?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, baby.
I got it right
What's
here.
up? I like your hat.
Go ahead. Right here, let me lock
What's
it.
so cute? What's this? Two?
Hey,
Two?
what's up?
Two?
Mateo over here. He's like, I want to watch like that.
He's like, yeah, he throwing up the two.
He's like, oh, we were all watching.
Fantastic
We were all
Four.
watching your YouTube videos last night. That's what he was thinking. He's like, I just saw you on TV.
Oh. He's like,
How old is he?
He's 14 months.